Hi, this is Tracy. Welcome back to my beauty channel. Well, spring is coming very soon and I have been feeling rather pale, so I thought that I would do a light bronzed makeup look, kind of like the beginning of spring bronze, not like August bronze. So today I'm going to be using Mineral Fusion, and this is Mineral Fusion. It's a dual bronzer, and one side is like a darker, more matte, and then up on top it's like a golden color, more of a golden bronze. So I'm going to use both of these colors together. So let's get started. The brushes I use are usually the e.l.f. or the Wet n Wild brushes. I don't spend a whole lot of money on my brushes, and I think that they work quite well actually for the money. I'm going to start with an angled brush, and I'm going to start with the darker color, and that's going to right on the cheekbone. So I'm just going to lightly tap. This is rather concentrated, this color, just to let you know, and so you probably just need just a little bit of it actually. A little bit on my chin here, and then I'm just going to go on my forehead here. I'm going to blend it out here. And then my nose. Just to give it kind of a sun-kissed effect. Okay. Then I'm going to use the fatter brush, and I'm going to use the color on top, the more golden. And I'm going to go on top of my cheekbones with that one. Maybe some under my chin a little bit. Just a little. I'm just going to kind of go over where I went with the other one and just blend it a little bit. Okay, so this is just a simple bronzed look, and I really don't want to go too dark or dramatic. It's just a little bit of hint of color. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of blush. This is my favorite blush. It's Shy Pink by Burts. So I'm just going to use, again, this is concentrated too, like the bronzer. So I'm just going to go ahead and just use a little bit of it. Actually, sometimes what I do is even put a little bit here so that it doesn't come on too concentrated, because it's very pigmented. So I'm just going to put that on the top of my cheeks here. I'm going to even take some off here, and I'm going to go over again. I'm going to put some here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the bronzer. So I think I might need a little bit more of the top color. I'm going to put some here. Then I'm just going to use my, my makeup brush and take off a little color, and I'm just going to blend it a little bit in, just so that it all blends in really good. Okay, next I'm just going to finish my lips, and I'm going to go with, this is a rosy color, kind of a rose mauve. I'm just going to go a little bit out of my lip line. You might have balanced lips, or if you have them on the bottom, they're bigger, like me. You know, you might want to even them out, or you might want to just keep them that way. I just kind of like to make them look actually a little bit bigger on top, so that I think it gives a nice look. So so with a tan look, I do like to use a little bit of a rose, kind of a rose tone, not quite pink, but just kind of like a rose, like a very soft rose. I think it looks good with tan or light tan. So I'm just going to go in with the Burts Bees lipstick in Doused. It's called Doused Rose. I'm just going to fill in. And it's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter than the lip liner, so it gives a three-dimensional look to the lips, so that it makes the lips look a little bit bigger. But this even makes it look even, it makes them even look more three-dimensional. I have talked about this before. I love this. This is the Pacifica Enlightened Gloss. It is in Beach Kiss, and it's fantastic. And it smells like donuts, actually. So I'm just going to put this just in the middle. Just in the middle, and that just gives the illusion of bigger lips. And I think it goes quite nicely with the bronze and the tan look. So anyways, this is the finished look, just a little bit of color going into spring. Anyways, we just like to brighten up our faces a little bit, and next I'm going to probably take out the self tanner. And so what are you doing to get ready for spring? Anything special? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. I have been starting a new workout, and it is a ballet inspired workout. It's a lot of fun, actually. It's called Bar Above, and I'm enjoying it a lot. So maybe I will talk about it more in future videos. But anyways, I would love to hear from you in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would like and subscribe. And I hope that you have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.